of the goodness of God. Cause all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have held me through the fire and darkest night. You are close like no other. I know you are the Father, and now you are the friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God. 'Cause all